Good afternoon all, welcome back. Right then, I thought with this little vlog I'll just do a quick restaurant update for you. We've been open about just over 3 months now, so we've got a pretty good idea of what's going on. So let's head down to the restaurant. I'll have myself some noodles and we'll go from there. So it's a bit of an overcast day today, as you can see, but it's still damn hot. It's still about 35 today. So let's pop down and have a look. Show you what's been going on. The restaurant hasn't really changed much. Let's just get through the gate. So there we go. Right, so Tam's mum's been busy planting, as you can see. She's planted loads and loads of krapow. And the reason being for that, we've got a load more over here as well. The main reason being for that is, one of the main dishes is still pad krapow. People are going crazy for it. And that's chicken, beef or pork. So just to sort of show you around once more, if you haven't watched previous videos, obviously a little cleaning station there. Tom's messing about with a few plants here. She's put a few roses just along to where the toilet and everything goes. And yeah, we got two people working here, obviously Tam herself and her niece. Here I've got a customer, so I'm not going to film over there at the moment. But I'll come down for some noodles. So guys, let's quickly touch base on how the restaurant is actually going. Well, it's been open about three months, and generally it's actually been really busy. Tom's getting a lot of customers for her noodles. Obviously other food we serve like pad krapow and mumanao, spring rolls, you know, all that sort of thing. And yeah, she's actually doing quite well. We tend to have some really busy days, but we also have some very quiet days as well. So thank you. Cup. So just got myself a drink, which is a Red Bull smoothie. That's Thai Red Bull. Thank you, cup. And my noodles have just turned up. So I'll give you a quick glimpse of those. As you can see, nice pork noodles, got a few pork balls in there, plenty of veggies, and Tam's boat noodle sauce. So, yeah. Quick sweet. So, 3 months of having the restaurant open, I just wanted to touch base with you guys a little bit regarding how it's actually going. We've seemed to be having quite a few customers, a lot of regulars, which is good. A lot of new customers, a lot of people coming from out of the village. And also we have a lot of the monks from different temples come to get food as well. So it is actually quite busy. Sorry about that. It's alright. Just making sure I'm putting the fish sauce in. So yeah, like I said, we've been open 3 months. This is just a quick little update regarding that. Now, Tam's main, I think, main seller apart from the boat noodles, is definitely pag pao 100%. She sells a hell of a lot of pag pao. Also, the drinks that we do here are very popular. We do all sorts from, as you can see, the Red Bull smoothie to, I mean, she'll do Oreo smoothies, pretty much what anybody wants, she'll make it. Beer sales and everything are going quite well. Not doing too bad on those at all. As for customers and footfall, it seems to be very... Some days you hardly see a soul, you'll just have a couple of customers. Other days, Tam and her niece got a job to keep up with everything. So, you know, you get good days and you get slow days. Now, I will go into pricing and stuff. Well, pricing. I'll go into roughly what we're, or what Tam's taking on a monthly basis. It does vary a little bit, but I'll do that up by the house in a bit. But for now, I'm gonna crack on and eat my noodles. So I'll catch you in a bit. Oh, there we are, guys. Just ate me noodles and had me drink, and I'm gonna just head back up the top here. We'll just go and sit out the way. It's starting to get a bit busier actually, so like I said before in the previous vlogs, I don't tend to like showing the customers too much, so it can be a bit awkward to film down at the restaurant, if I'm honest with you. So right, let's quickly pop over here and we'll I think I'll sit here actually. It's a bit overcast at the moment, so it's not too bad. So then, guys, how has the restaurant really been going? Like I said earlier on, some days is very slow, some days is just crazy busy. The school kids, they were coming here on a regular basis every day to grab some noodles and drinks and stuff after school. Now, we haven't seen them for a while, and obviously the reason for that is the kids are still on school holidays, but they go back next week. So if that's the case, then I think, you know, we're going to get all the custom of those kids are all coming back again. But like I said earlier, it's a steady flow of customers coming in, you know, from morning until sort of early evening. We tend to shut about, depending on whether there's customers sat in here having a drink or whatever, we tend to shut about 7 o'clock in the evenings. And then, you know, we clear up and then that's it. So, yeah. So I'll talk a little bit regarding money. Now, is it actually making a profit or not? Because I know a lot of you have asked this question in previous vlogs, and I'm just going to touch base on that and say yes, it is. Generally, it's from the 3 months we've been open. We had 1 month where we made about, well, where Tam made about 25,000 baht. That's after everything. So that's paying for all the wages and, you know, any other bits that she needed. But generally, it's around anything from 25 to 35,000 baht per month that it seems to be bringing in at the moment, which is perfectly fine. I mean, Tam's more than happy with that, and yeah, so yeah, it's just literally a quick little update. I thought I'd better update you on this one. Also, guys, there's a few other bits and pieces coming up very shortly. Well, I shall probably vlog that tomorrow morning. I should be getting up very early with Tam. I should be helping her cook for the monks in the local temple. So I might bring you along for that. And also, because I haven't posted for a while, I've been busy planning and sorting my route to go up to Pai on my motorbike. Bike's going in for service next Monday, and the week after that I start my journey. But I'll do a separate vlog on that, just a pre-vlog before we actually go. I'll show you some of the hotels where I'm going to be staying. It's not really a map route, it's just a route that I decided that I was going to do, so I hope you stay tuned for that as well, guys. And yeah, so for this one, just a short little vlog. I'm not going to drag it on. So just to summarize, the restaurant's doing really good, Tam's doing a fantastic job, and yeah, we continue, as they say. So until the next one, guys, take care of yourselves, take it easy, and we will see you on the next one. So take care, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.